How you feeling?
Nervous as hell. What up? It is the morning of leaving for Sweden. And today, guess what? I'm leaving for Sweden.
He's off to Sweden.
A little twizzle. It's perfect. It's literally perfect.
Waiting for the bus on section 1 of Journey. The last time I'm gonna see this beautiful face.
Remember, I love you. Remember, Krista, I love you. If you start to feel down, don't, because I love you. Feel that, feel that. I love you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
As you can tell, Rudy's very nervous about the plane journey. Alone. In a cylinder of metal flying 39,000 feet.
Why?
Bus journey number 2. Snacks in hand. Feeling good?
Debatable. Remember, I'm gonna pick up from the last one that you hung me up on. I love you, remember that.
It's not
Remember
the last
that.
one.
Remember. Nah, just remember that I love you. And remember her. Remember her, quick. Remember her. Oh, I feel better already. Sometimes we're better off alone.
Hey, made it to the coach station. And this is where we say goodbye to Rudy. I'm good. Waiting for the coach. It's like the Saw clock.
I want to play a game. I said, I want to play a game.
Here he goes. There's your carriage. Oh, it's having a bit of a glitch. Gatwick. I can't see. There he is.
Love you. I love you.
There he goes. Just you and me now, dude. It's very tiring. Ready through here. It's just me and you now.
Yeah, and Rudy's from Sweden, and I've gone in the shower and I'm playing skate, and
Sounds fun, dude.
Really miss Rudy.
We really miss you, Rudy. See? Shall we say goodnight?
Good night.
Shall we say goodbye and good night? Oh, that was painful.
You have to see it again.
Okay. Kitty, do you miss Rudy?
Yeah, he does.
Rudy's up there somewhere in the big blue. Bye, Rudy. Right, let's sign off then.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I want to send a message to Rudy right now, please.
Okay, let's do it.
Mm.